Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of my Matalan Christmas review and I've got some amazing festive finds to show you. We're talking designer style candles at a fraction of the price, fun musical light up Christmas hand washes for the kids, and gorgeous crockery and home accessories to make your home feel extra Christmassy. And of course the Christmas pyjamas, you know I love them. And Matalan always come through with affordable cozy options. So think of me as your personal shopper, here to show you the very best of Matalan this Christmas. Matalan always does really good scents, I think, and they're really affordable. They definitely give me Next vibes, but cheaper. This Festive Spice was the most traditional scent. I really liked it. And again, it was really affordable. The packaging was really good. This Frosted Cedar one wasn't to my taste. It smelled a little bit like a toilet cleaner, but it was a pine smell. But again, the packaging was really pretty. And the warm frankincense, I also really liked as well. It was quite a traditional Christmas scent. But the packaging on these is really, really nice and I think very affordable. The star of the show was definitely this designer dupe candle with red bow attached, which was good. It's a whole £30 cheaper than the designer one, so definitely check that out. I do love a nice bath mat, and they've got some really nice Christmassy ones. They've got this gingerbread one, which is £11. Really bright colours, really nice and thick. And they've got something black and white, a lot of black and white here for this year. I did read somewhere that black and white Christmas decorations are going to be on trend. Well, they've got that one. And then if you really want, they've got a toilet seat cover with a Father Christmas on it, with a matching mat. I've just spotted these. These are Jingle Bell Musical Pump Top hand soap. So it lights up and sings when you wash your hands. So if you've got children that don't like washing their hands, or even adults that don't like washing their hands, they're £5. And here they've got two colours, two scents, sorry, cinnamon spice and warm vanilla. Very interesting. Now, one thing Matalan does really well, they have really nice throws, and this one I think is going to be popular because it has got bows on it. £7, really nice. I use these a lot to cover the sofa up with the dogs, but they've got these really nice bow ones. They've got ones with dogs on, more with dogs on, with antlers, Christmas pudding, dog outfit ones. Yeah, lots. And they've also got these are really nice as well. It's bright red and it's got gingerbread houses, so they've got a very nice collection, all for £7. Matalan has brought out a gorgeous new black and white bow collection and it feels super stylish. Bows are everywhere this year and apparently black is the colour of 2025 Christmas. The range includes cups, plates, bowls and loads of tableware bits, and they've even done a matching candle. So what do you think though? Are you into the black and white Christmas look, or does it not feel very festive to you? Matalan year on year always have fantastic pyjama collections, and this year they have just launched them in store. I could honestly do a whole video showing you all the different sets, but I thought I'd share a few of my favourites. I'm a big fan of fleecy trousers and they've got some really lovely ones. They're cosy but not too thick so you won't overheat. They also do mini-me pyjamas, which I think are brilliant, matching sets for adults and children, all at really affordable prices. My top pick has to be the traditional red tartan pyjamas, again not too thick, really cosy and just perfect for Christmas. I also spotted a handful of Christmas jumpers while I was there, which are fantastic as well, and definitely keep an eye out online because Matalan often put out some great discounts on their Christmas clothing. Nearer their season, I'll share a full review of their party wear, but for now the pyjamas are definitely worth a look. So that's the collection at Matalan. Let me know in the description box what you think and if you're going to be heading over there. If you've not watched part one, do check it out and check out all my other videos. And I have got so much exciting stuff to come, including I think the best collection I've seen so far, which will be up in just a few days. So do make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss that. But I want to thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you on the next video.